se pueda, quitarse los miedos, sacarlos afuera.
Welcome back. Welcome back. This is Bill Miranda. I'm here with my co-host, Carlos Villalobos of Carlos Villalobos Insurance. And we just said goodbye to Robert Reyes.
The Renaissance man.
The Renaissance man. Interesting man, isn't he?
Very interesting man.
Yeah. And before he left, Robert wanted me to remind everybody that for those interested in being a sponsor at the event, to please go to his website, www.reyeswinery.com, and their event sponsorship packages that are really, really of good value. If you're going to have 500 to 800 people at the event, this is probably a good event to sponsor.
I believe so. I'm going to be going on there and become a sponsor.
There you go. All right. And Patsy.
I'm here.
You're here. Good. Patsy, tell our listeners exactly where you are.
I'm in Monterrey, in the state of Nuevo León, in Mexico. I am like 2 hours south of the border of Texas. This is a big city in Mexico. It's the second largest city in Mexico, and it's very industrial. Here are a lot of headquarters of big companies like General Electric, and also it's a city with a lot of universities. And that's one of the reasons I'm here, because here is a university I studied, Tec de Monterrey, and I'm the liaison between Tec de Monterrey and some universities in the United States, especially in Southern California, and they went to our Santa Clarita before, and they had a meeting with COC, College of the Canyons, and other universities there, and the thing is that they have this program for companies, and I'm the first company, Our Valleys, taking advantage of that from the Latino Chamber of Commerce to do professional work with the students and with the university. And that's why now we are having our second anniversary from Our Valleys. We changed the design from our magazine, and this was done by students guided by teachers and professionals from graphic designers, professionals, and we have an incredible new design from Our Valleys thanks to that program, and you know it was completely free. So they want to work with more companies from the Latino Chamber of Commerce in Santa Clarita that want to do something. I will bring information, which careers and what things you can benefit as a company to work with this university in case you want to do it the same way I did, because it's an amazing professional option that they give me. I love the new design from the magazine. You can see it in ourvalleys.com, or you can see it on Our Valleys Facebook. If you haven't seen the printed version, you can see the digital. It's modern. I just told them, I want something more modern, fresh, easy to read, and easy to identify where is the English section and the Spanish section, and they came out with a great design. I love it. I'm in love with this new design.
It is very, very good. I'm looking at it right now. It's the holiday edition, but it's December and January. It's a wonderful edition. You have a very good design, and you have some very outstanding articles in Our Valleys magazine. This issue has a wonderful interview with Colleen Atwood. It has actually, it has a segment on an upcoming book called Profiles in Latino Courage. I happen to know the author of that book very well.
Who wrote that?
Do you know it's Bill Miranda?
Yeah, his name is Bill Miranda, and it's just a very well put together edition, and I am so happy to hear that they are working with Our Valleys magazine. Now, can you tell us about the students there and the faculty there and how they put this together?
What we did a contest, like the Apprentice, okay? And it was only for Monterrey campus, because they have like 36 campuses all over the country. And they say, okay, let's start it in Monterrey. And then, depending on the companies and the projects, we can do it nationally. So we did like the Apprentice, and it's like, this is this magazine. I want to change the design for the second anniversary. And I was the coach. There were the teachers over there. So I was online with them every Monday. they were giving me the work, and it was like the apprentice. Okay, this week, this is the winner. And for example, I was given even ads. As you can see when you open the magazine, we have the ad from Cheers at Old Crew Cup, and I told them, they really want to change. They want a new ad celebrating New Year's, and this was the ad that won. But I have 12 options, so it's amazing. Like every Monday, I was having 12 options of what I was asking for.
Okay,
So
Patsy, hang on a second.
It was very competitive.
Hang on a second. So they designed the ad for Cheers at All Corked Up?
Yes, they did.
Excellent. Excellent. And did they charge a lot of money? Because this is a beautiful ad.
It's very
Well,
nice.
in this case, it's the first time they're doing this for the Latino Chamber of Commerce, and in this case, it was free. So depending, they do something very professional, as you can see. But I mean, if it's with students, it could be as low as free.
Yeah.
Or depending if there are professionals involved, it could be a little charge because there's work they're doing. But this is completely professional. I mean, I love this ad, the Cheers at Old Crew Cup. And because, they have their advisors there and the teachers, and they don't give me their options before they review, and they have everything. So every Monday when I was connecting, it was a hard decision to choose what ad, what article I was gonna choose for the edition. And we were doing that all the semester for the fall. And by November, I had the entire magazine, 12 magazines to choose. 12 magazines to choose, and then what I did is we decided to do two winners because I love the main cover from one student, but I love the content from another student.
So you had two winners, and
Yes.
and that's reflected on this magazine. Now, Patsy, we're going to take a break. When we come back from our break, I'd like to talk a little bit more about how this got done, but we're going to take a break right now, okay?
All right.
All right. This is Bill Miranda. The show is Quereles Poder on your hometown station, AM 1220 KHTS.
Every